Yep. You know what time it is.
Eternal sunshine of the spotless mind. I thought I was going crazy cause love is blind. Love at first sight, yes, one of a kind. I don't believe in it, never paid it.
Alright. Let's see what's in the box. It says cookie dough cookie kit. Includes cookie mix, cookie dough frosting, sprinkle.
Time to mix the ingredients. I'm gonna crack this egg. Next, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Not a lot of ingredients. Thought it would be more. Alright, so I'm putting in the cookie mix. I'm making sure I got every drop of it because I wanted to make some really good cookies. Every little speck. Alright, so now I'm putting the cookie dough on the pan. It said make the cookie dough from 2 tablespoons, right? But you see how big that is. So do they mean teaspoons? Because if it was tablespoons, you can see that's tablespoons right there. 2 tablespoons, that's how big they are. Because they said 2 tablespoons on the box. I should have just did what I was going to do for the first time. 1 tablespoon and make sure they spaced out. Because if you make sure they spaced out, that gives them room to grow and form. Now, how many of you have made cookies and they turn out to be that perfect circle that they want you to make it in? Because all the times I've made cookies, it has never been a perfect circle. It's always been a little off. Alright, so now I put frosting in between cookies and put them together. And at the time, the frosting was fresh, so you could squeeze it, and the more you squeeze, the more the frosting would stick out the sides, as you can see. And with that as well. And I think the next time I'll do it, I'll squeeze a little bit more. That way you can get a little bit more sprinkles on it if I do the sprinkle right. But the sprinkles was a little too sweet. It's already sweet enough from the chocolate chip, and the cookie is sweet in itself. To have that on top of the frosting and the sprinkles, it was a lot. But it turned out to be so good. Alright, let me dip this up. Dip it in the sprinkles. The sprinkles is a nice touch though. Voila. There you have it. Double-decker cookies with sprinkles on them. Frosting in the middle. Peep out the angles. Alright, taste test. Bite it. Yeah. Taste it. Now, in all honesty, it was good. It was really good.
Good.
See what I'm saying? But it was also a little too sweet. Thank you for watching.